I set out to build me a John Wick gun, and I think I did a pretty good job. His is the P30L with a weight compensator. I got the VP9L OR. I believe it's a limited edition. Came with 3 20-round magazines, case, interchangeable grips, both sides and the back. I've already changed the back ones. Just knock that pin out. Slide this down, slide the new one in, drive the pin back in, very simple. I'll show you how I did, how I put this on. All right, I wanted to do a little review on the H&K Parts that I've ordered. I've got the VP9L OR. It's unloaded. So I got the weight compensator, the rail mount weight compensator. I believe the part number is HKP 19292. This is made out of aluminum. It's supposed to help with the weight, and it's supposed to disperse some of the gases to help keep the nozzle down. I haven't shot it yet, so we'll see. I'll probably do it before and after, but I at least wanted to get this mounted to see what it looks like. So it comes with the rail mount kit, rail mount weight, and rail mount kit, 2 screws. Shipped it out pretty quick, got it to me. So basically, what I'm gonna do is slide this on here. I'm gonna try to line, we're gonna line this up right here. We're gonna line this up right here with this hole here, and then down in the grooves of this here. So I'm gonna slide that on. And the screw holes are a little bit off. See if we can make that work. I got my Klein tweaker here. It's actually a security screwdriver that I use for security cameras. See, that's not going down in there. Let's see if that's any closer. Just seems like it's just barely off. Let's see if I can pull that off. There we go. So I had to pull this out. There it goes. So I had to pull this out just a little bit while that was in there to get these to line in. Alright, there goes that one. Now I'm just going to snug it. Tight is tight. 2 tights broke. I'll snug it. That's good. That's it. So I still got my rail. I got my weight compensator. Looks good. I really like it. What do you think? Think it makes a difference? So adding this piece makes it a little front heavy, but I think once I load my magazine up and get it loaded, I think it'll balance out quite nicely. So it is a little nose heavy at the moment, but as soon as we add weight back here, I think that'll balance out. I think it'd be nice. We'll see what happens. I may do another video on that after I shoot it a little bit and see what it feels like with and without it. Now the only bad thing is it won't fit in the case. So guess what? Now I gotta go case shopping. Huh. Oh well, let's go buy another case. Let's just modify the case that it comes with it. Let's see what happens. Looks like it'll fit just barely. So I'm gonna trim a little bit over here, trim around here. I'll move some of the grip accessories. Also comes with a loader. And let's see if we can make it fit. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark right here. Put that up against there. Looks like I've got a little bit of room here, so I may trim that out. Get another marker. Let's see if this works right here. Yeah. Got my silver marker. Let's try that. Just a little bit there. I don't want to mark on the gun. Let me just put a couple of marks, dabs there. Alright, so I'm going to trim this right here. Trim this right here. Yeah, looking good. That's up against there, that's up against there. So now, I think it'll fit right there. Get rid of that right there. this first. Rip that up. That's glued that base. We'll rip that up. To get a sharper blade. See if that cuts a good. Yep, there we go. All right, let's try that. Shoot, yeah. Shoot, yeah. Little bulge right there. These would be trimmed out. Just maybe I'll cut this out. Trim that out. Not bad. What do you think? I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. I think I'm gonna trim that. That's just gonna make it worse. I could trim this a little bit more, move this. Trim this a little bit more. Move this way. Let's see. Still bowing a little bit. Yeah. I think that'll work. I don't have to go buy a case. Great. Good. Now I got my John Wick gun, got my extension, got my weight compensator, got my rail. Still can keep my 20-round mags in it. Put that back in there. Oops. And all of these can go in here. Boom, just like that. Just like that. Thanks for watching.
Oh my God, that motherfucker is fucking